मुझे शर्म तो नहीं आ रही है बट आ रही है. मतलब द अदर डे आई पोस्टेड कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं खरीदने वाली हूँ इस वेबसाइट से, एंड देन I went ahead and bought this. So I don't know what's inside. मतलब I know what's inside, but according to the quality and everything, I don't know मैं disappoint होने वाली हूँ या इसको appreciate करने वाली हूँ. I really don't know. If you wanna know, let's continue watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So not gonna lie, but the day I posted Urbanix video, not the haul, but if you're new to my channel, let me give you a short brief about what I posted before. I posted a video that why I don't want to purchase or shop from Urbanic anytime soon, and there are a few reasons that I've mentioned in that video. I'll link it up either here or here, so you guys can go watch that video if you wish to see why I didn't want to buy from Urbanic for so long. But the day I posted that video, since then, not gonna lie, since then I've been seeing so many ads from Urbanic on Instagram, on my stories and my feed both, and also on YouTube, and I was like, what have I even done? I've spoken negative, not essentially negative, but I've just kept my problems ahead. It's not a negative video, it's just why I don't like or why I didn't want to buy or whatever. So it's not a negative video, it's just the problems. And the day I posted that, since then I've been seeing so many ads from that website, and so since then I was in this very high confusion, I would say, that should I go ahead and buy or if I should not. I don't know. And then I finally got intrigued by the website and I was like, just leave it. Just leave it. Let's go ahead and shop. And the size wala issue is still there, and if you don't know that issue, मैं suggest करूँगी पहले वो video देख लो. And that issue can actually be solved because every other website and brand is actually maintaining that. So that size wala issue is one thing, but then we have found something for ourselves, and I think we should go ahead and just unbox this. So on the very top I see the bill first. So my total was somewhere around 5,000 rupees, and after discount मुझे 3,000 कुछ का पड़ा था. So the first thing we see are these beautiful in the image. अभी मैंने खोले नहीं है, अभी मैं देख रही हूँ. So according to the image I really liked them, and I'll insert the picture. These are very pretty, very beautiful hoop sort of earrings, and they have a cute yellow bow at the end. These days I'm like really obsessing over yellow colors, so I really wanted to buy these. And I think they'll look actually like good. Talking about the earrings, I actually ended up liking these. They look so pretty. The bow, however, is not coming like this, maybe because of my hair, but I really like it, and they're so statementy and they look so nice. What do you think of this? I sort of like them, and I will keep them for sure. Then the next item that we see are these golden hoops. So they are for, I guess, 89 rupees. Yeah, just 89 rupees, and they're quite small, but they're pretty. I like them as well. They're so pretty, so statementy, and I think I can actually pull them off with formals as well. But what do you think of these? I really like them. They're very minimalistic yet statementy, so I really like them. So the very first thing I see is this beautiful green top. You'll see a picture of this one here. The packaging is good. Did I open it? Yeah. These Ziploc poly bags are actually good, and they are of use. So ये चीज़ तो I really appreciate. Then the top is of actually good quality. I expected it to be very see-through and very body hugging, but it's actually good quality. It is a little see-through, but it is of thick material, and the material is actually good. I don't know how it will fit me. I will adjust a try-on part for you guys to see, but I so far like it. My size in this one was XL. This is the problem कि किसी में S है, किसी में XL है, किसी में M है. I'll show you the size variations. कितना variate करा है मेरा size इसमें. But the price of this one is 472 rupees, which is actually good price. So this is how it looks. I actually ended up liking this one. I am not too sure of the fit, however it's like a little loose and comfort fit, and I am a fan of that fit, but this top is of the style that I wanted it to be very fitted, but it's okay, that's not the matter. I want to mention that it's not very see-through. I'm wearing a nude innerwear inside, and some ribbed material tops actually show the lining of it, but this one does not. And I actually like it, and I might keep this one. Then the next item that I see is this jumpsuit. I guess it's a jumpsuit. I'm not too sure of this one, but let's open it. Yeah, it's a jumpsuit. Isme my size is S, and the price for this one is 1352. The material of this one is not as good as a product worth rupees 1352, because I have expensive pieces as well from other websites, but the material is really good. This one is a little polyester sort of material. This is how it looks, and I like it. With this, it's a bomb piece, dude. It's bomb, and this is the length of this one. Okay, so I really like it. I don't know if you should get it or not, but I like it. I think, yeah, now you can see the names of these pieces. If you in case you want to buy, they will be, or the links of all of these items would be in the description. Then I have the Simplicity pullover t-shirt in white color. Size is S, and the price of this one is 395 rupees. I guess ये shoulder padded है. So this is how it looks. This has a little bit of shoulder padded thing, and arms pe alag se there is a little bit of material, so that there's not a lot of showing through the arms, which is really thoughtful and good. I like that, and I appreciate that thing. But I don't know, fit ke time pe thoda weird na lage. But so far I like this. White tends to be a little transparent, but it's okay, and according to the price, it's actually of good material. It's really soft and really nice, so yeah, I like this one. I actually ended up liking this one. This one is, however, not very prominent, and I was always afraid that it will make my upper body look a little thicker, as my upper body is already thick, but it is not doing a lot of that wherever. So I think it will really look good with some baggy jeans, or maybe just blue denims. I think it will really look good. About this thing, it is actually sitting nicely, and it's saving me from all the show off that I could do. Not show off, but whatever the word is. But I so far like this, and I think I'm gonna keep this one as well. The next is again a shoulder pad pullover t-shirt in the color black, and my size in this one is M, and the price for this one is again 395 rupees. So this one actually has shoulder pads in that. उसमें सिर्फ cut था shoulder pad वाला, but this one actually has, and हरे के साथ we have this. So this is how the black one looks. This one, however, is adding a lot to my shoulders, and I am not really a fan of those broad shoulders. But I'll see and try these with blue denims, and if they look good, I'll keep it. If they don't, then I'll return this one. I am a little skeptical about this particular item, but so far it's good. Yes, we are on to our last thing, which is a sweater, because इस टाइम पे जब मैं शॉप कर रही थी इन जुलाई जून, कोई भी स्वेटर्स नहीं खरीदता है, एंड एक्चुअल में अफोर्डेबल था ये वाला. एंड इस वाले स्वेटर पे स्पेशली मेरी पिछले साल से नज़र थी. आई वाज आइंग ऑन दिस वन सिंस अ ईयर नाउ, like since last winters, so I really wanted to get this one no matter the weather. मेरे को ये चाहिए थे, so I went ahead and bought this. So this is a pullover sweater. I don't know the name. button sweater coat, okay, and this is only for 693 rupees. and हाँ ये चुभ रहा है यार, अभी मतलब गर्मी है, मैं फ़ैन धीरे करके बैठी हूँ तो इट्स क्वाइट ओके. वन साइज है इसमें, नो साइजेस वर अवेलेबल, एंड इसमें बस साइज मैक्सिमम 44 था आई गेस. एंड द कलर इज़ obviously purple. So this is how it looks. It is cropped and I really like it, dude. I like it. I saw something really similar on Zara as well, and it was for 1500 rupees. Not too expensive, but a little expensive, and you can get the similar thing on other websites for cheaper price. Dude, it is way too hot, so let me just show you how it looks. I'll not keep it on for long. I'll just show. बहुत कर यार, चुभ रहा है ये लिटरली. मतलब द मटेरियल इज़ नॉट ऐसे चुभने वाला, बट अभी गर्मी है यार, मैंने फ़ैन भी धीरे कर रखा है, एसी भी बंद है. But you can see how it looks. It will really look good on square neckline, and yeah, I really like the length of this one as well, and I'm a fan of this. Bus, okay, bye. I really like this one. So yeah, I really ended up liking most of these items, and I would surely go ahead and buy for the second time. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys soon, and stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep loving me.